Okay, Alsco is
Excellent.
Big picture focused,
Team building.
very multicultural.
customer focused.
I really enjoy working for the Alsco Group because safety is our priority, and making sure that all of our team, from drivers to production workers to salespeople, are all safe when they come to work.
For me, it's the variety. One day I could be working on a new fabric with a customer.
Next I could be, in and out of the warehouse, helping doing stock, checking orders.
The most enjoyable part is working with a different group of people.
Everyone's voice is heard and opinions are valued.
It's been really great to be a part of this company. Worked with a lot of wonderful people here. It's been an amazing journey, and it's still evolving. There's still a lot of things that I need to learn, and that's the challenge because we cater the pharmaceutical industry. There's always something new to learn every day.
For me, I started actually in New Zealand in our customer services team, and then I grew into key account management, looking after some very large customers in New Zealand. And then moved over here to Australia about 2 or 3 years ago, and now working as our national account sales manager here, looking after our sales team and our Great Australian customers.
I actually started off doing a maternity leave cover under Confident Care Products. It was great that they actually kept me on because it meant I started my new role as an internal account manager, and I've been doing it for just under a year now.
When I started at Alsco, we had just kicked off the sustainability program, and as a group we started working on ways that we could give back to the community. So we have community partners with every branch around Australia, as well as some national community partners, and it really helps to give a purpose to come into work every day, to be part of these programs that actually give back to the community around us.